Hey everyone, are you struggling to order food in a restaurant? Don't worry, here you can learn how to order food in a restaurant. Let's jump into this lesson. Before we start, I want to introduce myself. I'm JM from Learn English with JM. Here you can learn English without frustration and without overwhelm. If you want to learn real world English, click the red subscribe button without any further ado. Now let's jump into this lesson. In this lesson, you're gonna learn how to place an order or how to order food in a restaurant. While you're at the restaurant, the waiter or the waitress will ask you like, "May I know your order please?" or "What would you like to have?" For that question, you can respond in many ways. Let's imagine you'd like to order a pizza. First of all, you may say, "I would like to have a small pepperoni pizza," or "I would like to order a small pepperoni pizza." But you can also use "I'd like to," which is the contraction of "I would like to." So you can say, "I'd like to have the pepperoni pizza." I'd like to. I'd like to. Or in a second way, you may respond like, "Well, I'll have the pepperoni pizza." I'll have the. I'll have the. Or in another way, you would say, "Could I have a small pepperoni pizza?" Well, this is more polite one. You can order whichever you want using this question. Like, you can order a beverage, you can order a burger, you can order a combo, whichever you want. You can ask like, "Could I have the teen burger? Could I have the root beer? Could I have the combo please?" This is more simple and very useful way to place an order. Could I have? Could I have? Or you can use our last way, "Could I get?" Could I get a small pepperoni pizza? Could I get? This is also a very polite one. It's just like the before way, but we use get instead of have. Could I get? Could I get? Isn't it simple? So now we've learned 4 ways to place an order in a restaurant. After you told what would you like to have, the waiter will ask you like, "That's everything for today?" How did you reply for him? Or he could ask, "That's it? That's it for today?" Both are the same meaning, which is you want anything else? Oh, they can also ask like that. Like, "Anything else, sir?" The waiter will ask you that because if you want anything to have other than you already ordered, it simply means that do you like to have other dishes beside the previous order? If you want to order more, you may order whatever you want by using these sentences. Or if you don't want to order more, you can say, "Yes, that's it," or "That's it for today." You can ask the waiter to recommend. For these, use these sentences. What would you recommend? Or what's your recommendation? After ordering your food, the waiter will ask if it's here or to go. In this question, here means the restaurant. He asks that if you want to eat your food in the restaurant or not. In this sentence, to go means the waiter asks if you want to take the food to your home or not. If you want to take your food to your home, you can say "to go please," or you may eat your food at the restaurant. The waiter will ask either "to go" or "is that for pickup?" In this, pickup is also means the same as "to go." Don't confuse it. He will ask, "Is it to go?" or "Is that for pickup?" Both are the same. So, in conclusion, if you want to eat in the restaurant, you can eat there. Or if you want to take your food to home, you could say "to go please." After that, the waiter will tell the price as it comes to $50 or the total comes to $50. Here it means the total price of the order or the food. Then you will pay for the food. So that's it. Now you're ready to place your order in the restaurant. Go and enjoy your meal. See you in my next video. I hope this lesson will help you. Hope you like it. Thank you and bye.